Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and now if you're looking for a lightweight but powerful cordless vacuum, check out this one. It's the AO3 from AlloyMove. Now, a few of the features that stand out to me, number one, it stands up. I don't know if you've had a cordless vacuum that does not stand. It's very inconvenient, so I love that it can stand on its own. It's also telescopic, so anyone in the family can use it, from young to old, especially because it is so lightweight. I also love how easy it is to maneuver, so it swivels really well and it goes under really tight spaces. It has amazing suction and 3 different modes, so that means that you can go from ceramic tile to hardwood to carpet with 0 issues. It has a long-lasting battery life. I use this every single day for quick cleanups, and I only have to charge it about once a week, so it lasts me a really long time on one battery. It's nice and easy to empty. You just drop out the bottom and out comes the dirt. And of course you can take it apart and clean it well too. It comes with a few different attachments, so that makes it great for cleaning all areas of your home. It also has this really nice green light, which I've never seen it be green before, but boy, does it bring out all your dirty areas so you can really see that dust behind your dresser. Overall, I've been really impressed with my little cleaning buddy here. I think it's a fantastic option for daily cleanups around the house, and that's my point of view.